Alright guys, we are about to go onto the off-road section. We just got notification that...
Just pull the convoy right up behind me, up to above that, and then we're going to hand you over to Scott to give you some instructions, okay?
Alright, very good. Our two teams are going to pull to the side and get ready for the off-road section. So we're going to be waiting for our instructions inside the vehicle. We're going to pull behind the leader and get ready to go off-road. We may do...
Right behind these trucks, I'm going to peel off.
Yeah, we're probably going to do a driver and vehicle change again. Yeah, I think they're going to have us get out and get instructed again. So anyway, so that was the conclusion of the Tacoma track test for the 2024 Tacomas, redesigned Tacomas. I'm going up to the front for further instruction.